Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to Mathematics Grade 4. So, today's lesson is about the introduction to capacity and volume. Now, in Grade 3, you learned how to work with non standard units. For instance, I just gave you a cup to measure something, or they gave you a jug or a spoon to measure something, but you didn't really work with milliliters and liters. You were introduced to milliliters and liters, so you know what the term milliliter means and you know what the term liter means. You did not convert, so that means you didn't go from milliliters to liters or change liters to milliliters. And then read off measuring jugs with the measurement given. So every time you use something, they gave you the measurement if you had to read it from an instrument you use to measure capacity or volume. Now, what are you going to learn in grade 4? More ways to measure volume and capacity. What milliliters and liters are. Working with new measuring instruments. Converting. Now, this is a very, very important part. Converting of volume and capacity. Consolidate your sense of how much 1 liter is and further develop a sense of how much 1 milliliter is. Understand and know the relationship between the two units, and then read any measurement on a measuring jug at both numbered and unnumbered calibration lines. Now that means if I give you a jug, there might be lines on the jug telling you how many milliliters or liters, or I can leave out the numbers and you have to know what each line means. So let's start with, remember this is an introduction to what is volume and capacity. And it's very important to know the difference between the two. Capacity. It's the amount of substance that an object can hold or the amount of space inside the object. So say I give you a 2-liter bottle of cool drink. What is the capacity of the bottle? It's 2 liters. Even if I drink 250 milliliters of the cool drink, it will still be 2 liter. So capacity is the meaning where how much can a bottle or a container or jug always, what's the space inside of it? Even if I fill it up or it's empty, it will always be a 2-liter cool drink bottle. Then volume. It's the amount of space that an object occupies. An object occupies. So a bottle can have a 1-liter capacity. So it's a 1-liter bottle, always 1-liter bottle, but it might not be filled to its full capacity. So it might not be filled up to 1 liter. It could, for example, only contain a volume of 250 milliliters. So capacity is the amount of space inside a container, and the volume is how much of that space I am using. It's very important, boys and girls, to know the difference between the two. Because if I give you, I'm going to show you here, I give you nice examples. When you look at capacity, what do you think is the capacity of the first glass? It's 30 milliliters. They gave it to us, 30 milliliters. Doesn't matter if it's filled up to there. The space inside that container will always be 30 milliliters. Here I want to show you, they filled it up to there. But what is the capacity? It is 30 milliliters. So it doesn't matter how much I've used in the container. It will stay a 30 milliliter container. Here with volume. Volume again? Yes, it's amount of space I am using. And here you can see it's up to 5, and I gave the unit there, milliliters. So what is the volume of the first container here, glass container? 5 milliliters. And here I will see, there's my line, the volume will be 15 milliliters. Here if they ask you what at the top, what is the capacity? You would have written down 30 milliliters, and for this container as well, 30 milliliters. So boys and girls, before we carry on with the next lessons, make sure you understand the difference between capacity and volume. Have fun and goodbye.